Hello everyone, welcome to the HardReset channel, and today I'm going to be unboxing the new MOBVOI TicNote AI voice recorder. So this is the MOBVOI TicNote, and it is a voice recorder that allows you to record the conversations and other stuff that's happening around you. It uploads them to your phone and allows you to use the conversations with an integrated AI to summarize them, use them to learn some new stuff, and basically use them like you'd use ChatGPT, except you have the recordings on you. So let's get to unboxing it. I'm going to take out the top box, and we are greeted with this user manual. You have the QR code that allows you to scan and download the app. So you also have this safety and warranty guide. And the next thing is the recorder itself. So let's just take it out of the box. And the recorder has a MagSafe case, as you can see. And if we pull it out like this, you also have the recorder itself. So this is what it looks like. It's this little card, pretty compact, that you have a few buttons and switches on that allows you to record the conversations and summarize them. So the MagSafe is in this case. I have an iPhone with MagSafe, and as you can see, it snaps in pretty stable. It won't fall off or anything. It's a MagSafe case. So this MagSafe case is needed if you want to use the this mode right here, is the speaker mode, so keep that in mind. So let's continue for now. Let's see what else is in the box. We have this little other packaging here, which contains the charger. So let me just pull it out to show you what it looks like. So it has these 4 pins that go on the back right here, like this. So it just snaps on like a magnet, and you connect it via USB, and it just starts to charge. So we also have the next thing, which is this ring. If you don't have MagSafe, you can use this ring to stick it on your phone, and it will work with the MagSafe case of the voice recorder. So that's pretty much everything that we have in the box, and this is about it. Thank you for watching. I hope this video helps you, and make sure to like and subscribe.